Papaya is a delicious and healthy fruit. Its vibrant orange flesh and sweet tropical flavor make it a favorite among many. Not only is it tasty, but it also offers numerous health benefits that make it a valuable addition to any diet. It is grown in many tropical countries, where the warm climate and rich soil provide the perfect conditions for papaya trees to thrive. Countries like India, Brazil, and Mexico are some of the largest producers of this wonderful fruit. Papaya is a good source of vitamins A and C, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin, vision, and immune function. Just one serving of papaya can provide more than 100% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. It also has a lot of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. People eat papaya fresh, dried, or even cooked in various dishes. Its versatility makes it a staple in many cuisines around the world. Papaya is also popular in smoothies and juices. Its natural sweetness and creamy texture blend well with other fruits and vegetables, making it a perfect ingredient for a refreshing and nutritious drink. Beyond its culinary uses, papaya is also used to make medicines and beauty products. The enzymes found in papaya, such as papain, have anti-inflammatory properties, and are often used in skincare products to exfoliate and rejuvenate the skin. Growing papaya can be a rewarding experience. It requires patience and care, but the results are well worth the effort. From planting the seeds to nurturing the young plants, each step in the process brings you closer to enjoying your own homegrown papayas. It can also be a good source of income. Many farmers find that growing papaya is a profitable venture, as the demand for this fruit continues to grow worldwide. Selling fresh papayas at local markets or exporting them to other countries can provide a steady stream of revenue. This guide will teach you everything you need to know about papaya farming. From selecting the right variety of papaya to understanding the best planting techniques, we will cover all the essential information to help you succeed. We will cover everything from choosing the right variety to harvesting your fruit. There are many different types of papayas, each with its own unique flavor and growing requirements. Understanding these differences will help you select the best variety for your needs. This guide is for anyone who wants to learn about papaya farming. Whether you are a hobbyist looking to grow a few trees in your backyard, or a commercial farmer aiming to start a large-scale operation, you will find valuable insights and practical tips here. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced farmer, there is always something new to learn about papaya farming. The techniques and practices in this guide are designed to help you improve your skills and increase your yields. You will find useful information here. From soil preparation and pest control to irrigation and fertilization, we will provide you with the knowledge you need to grow healthy and productive papaya trees. Let's get started on the exciting journey of growing papaya. With the right guidance and a little bit of effort, you can enjoy the many benefits of this amazing fruit. So grab your gardening tools and let's dive into the wonderful world of papaya farming. Papaya trees need a warm climate to grow. They prefer temperatures between 21 and 33 degrees Celsius or 70 to 91 degrees Fahrenheit. Papaya trees don't like frost. Cold weather will damage the leaves and fruit. Papaya trees need a lot of sun. Plant them in a sunny spot. 6 hours of direct sunlight is best. Well-drained soil is important. Papaya trees don't grow well in waterlogged soil. Sandy loam soil is ideal. It allows water to drain easily. Before you plant papaya trees, you need to prepare the land. First, clear the land of any weeds or unwanted plants. Once the land is clear, you can start tilling the soil. Tilling the soil means loosening it up. This helps the roots of the papaya trees grow strong. You can till the soil with a shovel or a tiller. If the soil is too acidic, you can add lime to it. Lime will help to neutralize the acidity. Good soil preparation is essential for healthy papaya trees. Section 4. Choosing the right papaya, varieties and their traits. There are many different varieties of papaya. Some popular varieties include Red Lady. This variety produces large, red-fleshed fruit. It is known for its sweetness and flavor. Sunrise Solo. This variety is a dwarf papaya. It is perfect for small gardens. It produces medium-sized fruit with yellow flesh. Waimanalo. This variety is known for its disease resistance. It produces large, yellow-fleshed fruit. When choosing a variety, consider your climate, soil type, and personal preferences. Research different options. Select the best variety for your needs. Section 5. From seed to sapling, propagation and nursery care. In this section, we will explore the journey of a papaya seed from its humble beginnings to a thriving sapling ready for the field. This process involves several crucial steps, each of which plays a vital role in ensuring the healthy growth of the plant. Papaya trees are usually grown from seeds. These seeds are the starting point of the entire cultivation process. Selecting the right seeds is essential for a successful harvest. You can collect seeds from ripe papaya fruit. It's important to choose fruits that are fully mature and healthy, as the quality of the seeds directly impacts the growth of the seedlings. Wash and dry the seeds before planting. This step helps to remove any pulp or residue that might hinder germination. Drying the seeds in the sun ensures they are free from moisture, which can cause mold or rot. Sow the seeds in seed trays filled with seed starting mix. This mix provides the right balance of nutrients and drainage for the seeds to sprout. Water the seeds regularly, but be careful not to overwater. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged to encourage healthy germination. The seeds should germinate in about 2 to 3 weeks. During this period, it's crucial to maintain a consistent temperature and humidity level to support the delicate seedlings. Once the seedlings have grown a few inches tall, you can transplant them to larger pots. This gives the young plants more space to develop their root systems and access more nutrients. Place the pots in a sunny location. Papaya plants thrive in full sunlight, which helps them grow strong and healthy. Water the seedlings regularly, ensuring they receive enough moisture without becoming waterlogged. Fertilize them with a balanced fertilizer every 2 weeks. This provides the essential nutrients that the young plants need to grow. A balanced fertilizer ensures that the plants receive a mix of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are crucial for their development. The papaya seedlings will be ready to plant in the field after about 2 to 3 months. By this time, they should be strong enough to withstand the outdoor conditions and continue their growth into mature, fruit-bearing trees. Proper care during the nursery stage sets the foundation for a successful papaya orchard. Section 6. Planting your papaya. Spacing and timing for optimal growth. In this section, we will delve into the essential aspects of planting papaya trees, focusing on the optimal spacing and timing to ensure your papaya plants grow healthy and strong. The best time to plant papaya trees is during the rainy season. This period provides the young plants with ample water, which is crucial for their initial growth phase. The consistent rainfall helps the roots to establish themselves firmly in the soil. Planting during the rainy season will give them enough time to establish themselves before the dry season sets in. This head start is vital as it ensures that the plants are strong enough to withstand the harsher conditions of the dry season. When preparing to plant your papaya trees, dig holes that are twice the size of the root ball. This extra space allows the roots to spread out comfortably and access the nutrients they need from the soil. Space the holes at least 6 to 8 feet apart. Proper spacing is crucial as it ensures that each tree has enough room to grow without competing with its neighbors for sunlight, water, and nutrients. Place the seedlings in the holes carefully. Handle the young plants gently to avoid damaging the delicate roots. Proper placement is key to ensuring that the plants grow straight and strong. Make sure the top of the root ball is level with the ground. This positioning helps the plant to absorb water efficiently and prevents water from pooling around the base, which can lead to root rot. Fill the holes with soil and water them well. Watering immediately after planting helps to settle the soil around the roots and eliminates air pockets that can hinder root growth. Consistent watering is essential during the early stages of growth. Planting at the correct depth and spacing is crucial for the papaya trees to thrive. Properly spaced and well-watered plants are more likely to grow into healthy, productive trees, providing you with a bountiful harvest. Remember, the care you put into planting your papaya trees will pay off in the long run with strong, fruitful plants. Section 7. Irrigation and fertilization, providing essential nutrients. Papaya trees need regular watering, especially during the first few months after planting. Water them deeply once a week. Avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot. You can also mulch around the base of the trees to help retain moisture. Fertilize your papaya trees regularly to ensure healthy growth and fruit production. Apply a balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package carefully. Proper irrigation and fertilization are key to maximizing your papaya yield.